Well, friends, I've got us to this section of the toilet removal and replace. All right, take a look right here. That's where we are right now. This is blocked just so I don't have any nastiness coming up. Now what I have to do is I have to put the bolts in here, and then I have to bring up the new toilet. But luckily it's in two parts, so it'll be a little bit easier. Cool. This should allow it to hold itself a little bit better and it won't slide. You know, I don't even have to have it there. So I can do this. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward that. All right, so what you can do is this. And then slides in there. It's going to go there. So, and that little washer just kind of holds it in place. I trust. Yeah. Okay, now we'll do the other one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is bring up the toilet and put the wax seal on it. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to put the wax seal right there. All right. Go like that. Should stay. Well, no matter what, this should be the most fun part. This is where it would really be awesome to have someone to help. But seriously, putting cardboard on here, on the ground, was just so smart. Every once in a while, I surprise myself. All right. One. Closer to the other one. Holy guacamole. On the other one too. Oh my goodness. It went through a little bit of the wax, that's fine. But I just have to move it a little bit forward, but it looks as if I found both. All right, now what I'm going to do is sit on the toilet and make sure that it is stable. Oh yes, nice. There are also lines on the tile that help you line this up. So that's actually not too bad. It should be pretty close to even. Right. And then the same on the other side. All right, now I'm going to slowly tighten these in. Don't be dumb, because it's porcelain. What I'm going to do is, now that this is tightened, I'm going to take a hacksaw, cut that down, and then I can apply that right to it to finish it. Right. Now this obviously is going to need some caulk. I can't emphasize enough, have cardboard on the ground or something like that. It just makes life easier and less chance of destroying stuff. Alright, now what I have to do is make sure that this is appropriately seated there. Like so. So all this is going to come off. This is going to come from the inside and poke out here. Then this part's going to go there. Then this part, is going to go there. Then this part will be underneath. Perfect. I'll show you. You'll get it. So I've got the gasket here, I've got these ready to go, and we're going to put it on the toilet. This is one of the parts that would be helpful if you had a friend. But it has to be pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up underneath, and we're going to tighten it on. There we go. Okay, now here's a part that I bet is probably important. Do one side a little bit, then the other. That way it'll be even. That sounded like I know what I was talking about. All right, now I've hooked up the bidet. Now I want to hook up the waters. There we go. And even. Then what's going to happen is this is going to go lovingly onto there. Almost ready to go. We are really close to done right now. All we have to do is turn on the water. Okay, so I've checked for leaks. Doesn't seem like there's any. I turned on the main water downstairs. That's ready to go. It's turned on. This filled. Okay, that's full. Let's see what happens. All right, now apart from cleaning up, what I have to do is I have to cut those bolts that attach the toilet to the floor and then put the little cute decorative toppers on them, and then I have to caulk the bottom of it. But once I do that, it should be ready to go. Yes!